my grills on today. Check them out.
Damn, Shaniqua, where you got them grills at, honey?
I went across the street to the supermarket and I got some aluminum foil and I just glued it on. Why pay so much when you can pay 99 cents? I don't get it.
I don't get it, girl. They look hot, they look good. Put some rhinestones in there and you got them sparkliness, you know?
Next week, we're gonna come back and we're gonna do a makeup tutorial and show you guys how to put on makeup. Cause I'm sure none of you girls out there can look as hot as we can. So you gotta learn how to put the eyeliner, the mascara, your lipstick, and a little bit of blush. So you can look like me and Bushika.
I'm your sister. You don't know how to say boom, shika? You say bushika? I don't think so. No.
And we're gonna teach you how to do your makeup like us.
Because everybody should look like us, because we the best looking people out there. You know what I'm saying? You already know what I mean?
That's right. So get ready for our next video. We're going to show you how to do your makeup. The way we do ours. Perfect lips. Beautiful eyes. And our hair. You don't need a relaxer. Why can't you just keep your laps? Pick it. Get a pick.
Pick.
Pick.